is your no bullshit review of Jim Beam Double Oak. So what can we tell you about Jim Beam Double Oak? Well, I think it's probably one of the mellowest bourbons I've ever had. It absolutely does not bite you, not really harsh, smoky, but not even remotely. I mean, it's really mellow, really mellow. What are your thoughts?
There's no kick, there's no punch, there's no alcohol bite, nothing of that nature. It's just smooth, very mellow, and it has you wanting to sip more and more and more just to like, oh, am I getting that bourbon taste?
I think this is probably something you'd want to try with someone who hasn't drank bourbon before, maybe?
Yep, it's definitely I would call the gateway bourbon.
So this is $23, which is the same price as the Devil's Cut, Jim Beam Devil's Cut. Same price as Buffalo Trace, Wild Turkey 101. They're all in that ballpark at $23, $20 and $23. I think this would probably be the last one, just simply because it's so mellow and it drinks below proof. Like, it doesn't drink at the proof it is, which, if memory serves me right, we're looking at a 86 proof. So the Devil's Cut, which is a 90 proof, is much harsher than what this is. So let's talk about the numbers. Ready? So as far as sweetness, obviously it's really sweet. It's like a 7. Harshness, 2. Doesn't really bite you like we talked about. Smoky, 4. It does have a good smokiness, and maybe that's because it's double barreled. You know, I don't know. Floral? None.
Floral.
Yeah, nothing floral related. Complexity and body I have as a 4 out of 10.
And a 3.
Yeah, it's not really overly complex. There's not a lot going on with it, and it doesn't have a big, heavy body to it on the back end. It doesn't stick around that long. Value, I put it 2 because I think there's a lot better options out there. What's one of the options that you think is out there that you like? This one, obviously.
Yes.
But for the price, you're looking at these guys right here. Buffalo Trace, boom.
If it's fall going into winter, this is my number one go-to. Anytime, this is my number one go-to.
Yeah, we buy this a lot just because it's the prices. You can't beat it. I can buy 2 bottles of this for the same price as 2 bottles of these, as 1 bottle of these. So we definitely like the Heaven Hill basic bourbon. But I would definitely buy a Wild Turkey or Buffalo Trace before I'd buy this. If you're just getting into bourbon and you're not sure which one to get, I think this would be a good one to buy. What do you think?
I would agree. It's definitely very smooth as far as the alcohol bite doesn't kick you on the floor.
Yeah, it definitely mixes well, and it drinks well and sips well, so I don't think you can go wrong with it if you're just getting into bourbons and trying to find some stuff that you want to try out. But if you're used to the things that we talked about, you're probably going to be a little disappointed with this, in my opinion, that it's not as robust and complex and just drinks really, really, really mellow and smooth.
I would agree.
So, if you guys have any questions or anything, let us know. If you have tried this and you want to put your comments down below, what you think of it, what you think is comparable, go ahead and do that. And until next time, later.